Hi, I'm Mary Warner and welcome to Tate, Georgia, home of the recycled glass surface Vetrazzo. We're nestled here in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains where marble has been quarried for over 100 years. Today the quarry is owned by our parent company, Polycore US, and they continue to produce pristine white marble blocks for projects around the world. Vetrazzo actually shares manufacturing space with the marble production in the plant behind me. We believe that the plant, although a vestige of the past, represents the future of building materials. We also believe that fabricators are on the cusp of new technologies and materials, and we want to work with you. As partners, we appreciate the work you do to turn our slabs into beautiful and functional products. To separate you from the masses, we've created an online certification training and fabrication guide to get you the most exposure and education as a Vetrazzo fabricator. We also know that with any new product, it's important to learn its distinctive qualities to be able to produce the best finished work for your clients. Now, I'm not a fabricator, but I've definitely tried my hand at our material, and all I can say is this: it can be done, and it can be done well. With our certification training, we are also building an exclusive network of fabricators who, like you, demand the best quality products and workmanship. Now, for the rest of this section, you'll get a look at a day in the life of Vetrazzo, and then Mark Johnson will guide you through fabricating it. After this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge to turn one of our gorgeous slabs into your masterpiece. So take your time. We really want you to get to know Vetrazzo.
Vetrazzo is a cementitious-based recycled glass surfacing material that was invented in Berkeley, California in 1996 by a scientist working on his PhD in glass and ceramics. After partnering with investors, Vetrazzo the brand was born, and the company began producing small batches. Today, Vetrazzo slabs installed more than a decade ago continue to shine, and our production has grown to accommodate national distribution. While production has moved to the East Coast, the product has not changed much since it was patented. With up to 85% recycled content, Vetrazzo contains the highest amount of recycled glass found in any surfacing material on the market. It can be used in just about any application natural stone can be used, from countertops, fire hearths, or poolside seating and entertainment areas. Fabricators continue to impress and astound us. Be sure to visit Vetrazzo.com for more technical information on how to fabricate and install our product, and see some gorgeous installations done by outstanding craftsmen in our fabrication network. People often ask how we turn trash into something you can eat off of, so we thought we'd show you. Vetrazzo begins as glass from curbside recycling or post-industrial waste like off-run goblets, stained glass, or maligned bottles. It's the beer, wine, or juice you drink every day, the pickle jars you throw in your recycling bin that comprise some of the most common glass found in our products. There's also architectural glass from demolition sites, and my favorite, safety glass, with its distinctive cubist shape. We source our glass from a local supplier and bring it to Tate, Georgia, where it is further processed to each mix's specification. Once processed, cement, water, and other proprietary ingredients are added and combined according to our patented formula in an industrial mixer. Each batch is then poured into a pan, which will result in a 3 centimeter thick, 5 foot by 9 foot slab, the largest recycled glass surfacing slab by area. Once set and cured, it will undergo a bevy of quality controls before its final polish. Only then is it ready to ship. Today there are 19 standard Vetrazzo mixes and 3 limited editions currently available as slabs. From warm browns like our Ale House Amber to Millefiori, which is a riot of confetti colors, we offer mixes to suit everyone's taste. And our R&D team is constantly developing new colors and applications for Vetrazzo, so you can expect more exciting products coming soon. With over 550 pounds of recycled glass in each 700-pound slab, it's worth spending a little time understanding the key ingredients in Vetrazzo. So let's go over the mixes. It will help you get to know the product a little better. In the flint mixes, we're using simple decased flint glass, which comes from condiment jars, baby food jars, and the most ubiquitous glass running through our waste stream. We've colored the cement in these mixes with a pigment that runs throughout the slab, grounding Vetrazzo's color palette with some neutral tones. The curbside mixes are just that. The glass comes right from the recycling centers that collect your recyclables from the blue bins full of bottles from last night's party. Keep an eye out for the silkscreen labels from familiar beverage brands that we point to as evidence that we'd never burn energy to melt glass that's fine just the way it is. Curbside mixes with patina. Same glass sources, same slabs. just an opportunity for the craftsman and every fabricator to separate themselves from average by mastering the technique of staining cement. Detailed instructions of how to achieve this unique finish are available in the fabrication training video, as well as the fabrication and training guide. The demolition mixes use glass from the built environment that surrounds us. Windows from skyscrapers and old buildings are given a second life as what once stood to separate the outdoors from the indoors now shines proud as the key ingredient in the room's conversation piece. And finally, limited edition mixes are much like rare stones found in nature. Red glass from traffic lenses and art glass from church windows don't come around all that often, and when we run out, that's it. While we could melt down clear glass and repigment it to achieve a design palette, we'd rather save the energy and focus our efforts on intercepting interesting sources of glass before they get tossed into our landfills.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that look at a day in the life of Vetrazzo. Now there's one more thing I'd like to tell you, and it's something we're proud to say. Vetrazzo is made in America, and more importantly, it's made by people who believe in what we're doing. We hope that you'll be a part of our story.